What's up, guys? Whether this is your first time or not, welcome. And if you guys will please smash that like button, hit the subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. It will all help the channel to grow. All right, today I'm going to be unboxing the Sunpak ring light. I've been told that some of my videos been a little dark and I've been meaning to get one of these. So I decided to do an unboxing video. So let's get started. And this Sunpak ring light is USB powered. It comes with a storage bag and a Bluetooth remote. So here we go. And hopefully this helps with the lighting on some of my videos. All right, that looks like the Bluetooth remote right there for your phone that you connect to your phone right there. The instructions, but you know, I'm one of those, I like to go through it and then try to, if I get stuck, I go to the instructions. This is pretty simple from, you know, when I looked on the box. And here we go. Nice extension right there. Okay, that screw adjusts the position of the ring itself. Okay, that's for the phone right there. You definitely need to lock it back in because that head is wobbling. Pulls all the way to the middle. My main concern is just how bright it is. If it extends pretty easy. So once you lock in the swivel of the head, which I did not do here, and I think after that you can adjust it, or even before, but we'll see. I'm not gonna adjust it all the way to the 54 inches. As long as I, you know, see where you can raise it up, I'm good to go. Now we plug it in, and all you need is a cube, your phone, or anything like that. Works good with the app. That's what I have it in, the Apple Cube. And there we go. Different brightness control and different color. If you want the blue light or the yellow light, like that. And we are looking like it is good to go. Straight out the box, plug and play. Really no complaints here. And I like that it has a Bluetooth remote, but in all actuality too, you know, your smartphone has timers on it also, but that's really for photos. Definitely be playing with that and seeing how we get it to work for videos. And there you have it, guys. The Sunpak ring light is looking like it's good to go. Looks like it will be enhancing my videos in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.